Okay, last time we looked at variable assignments. This time we're going to learn how we can check the type of our variable. Alright, so for example, let's just say that a is equals to 5. Now we go to a new cell. There you go, that's our input one. And now let's call in a. We have a. Let's go to another cell. So the output says a is equal to 5. So we know that it is an integer value, but if you wanted to check how you can know what kind of what type of value it is, we can just do a type. There we go. Then we give a parentheses. Now inside we write in our a and then give shift enter, and in the output it says the value is an integer value. Now if I change my assignment of a to from 5 to, let's say, 5.2, there we go. Now let's type in type, and inside the parentheses, now let's give an a, shift enter on the cell. Now it is saying that the data type is actually float. So that is how we can check which kind of data it is in Python. Thank you very much for watching.